Hi, this is Fred Bravo with Alpha Bravo Tech. Today we are going to install Windows 10 on a USB drive, make it bootable. To do this, you're going to need a flash drive that's I think at least 8 gigs. I think the website Microsoft says 16 gigabytes, but we'll see. So get something that's at least 16, preferably even 32 gigs. That's going to really make sure that you have enough space for whatever you want to install on that thing in the future. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to install the Windows 10 ISO file, the ISO. Okay. What we're going to do is we can start off by putting this thing in basically a mobile phone view. We don't have to do that first. We can actually just go to I know I could have just searched there, but I don't know. I just typed stuff. We're going to type in Windows 10 ISO, and then we'll go here. First one. It's going to take us to Microsoft.com, software download, Windows 10. Because we're doing this on Windows, it's not going to let us download it just like that right away. So we're going to do a little trick. Basically, and for some reason it's taking a while. There we go. All right, we will go to these. By the way, we're using Google Chrome. I don't know if you can do this with. I'm sure you can do this with other browsers too. I just always use Google Chrome. You go down, you click those 3 little dots. You go down to where it says More Tools, and then you go to Developer Tools, and then you'll click this here, toggle device toolbar. This looks like a little cell phone or tablet. That changes this layout basically to a mobile phone layout. It still doesn't show us where we can download. If you look right here, this is probably what you're seeing if you're trying to download it from a Windows browser. But if you hit refresh, no, I think you might even need to type in. We'll see what that does, but if that doesn't work, we'll just type ISO at the end of this and see if that works. So let's see what this does. Alright, that's just taking a little bit too long. Let's go ahead. Okay, it actually, I think it switched itself to ISO. Okay, cool. And there it goes. Alright, so from here, and I know the screen's kind of small. I'm going to go ahead and make that as big as I can anyways. Alright, so we'll I need that toolbar. I can just click and drag that. We'll select Windows 10. We'll hit confirm. Product language. Choose your product language that you want. We're going to choose English here. Hit confirm. And we're going to want the 64-bit version. If you're running on an older architecture, you're going to maybe need 32-bit, but 99% of you plus are going to need the 64-bit download. So we're going to go ahead and start that. It's 5.7 gigs. It'll be done in about 2 minutes, it says. While that's going on, we're going to go ahead and download a program that's going to burn this as a bootable USB drive, burn this image as a bootable USB drive. We're going to use Rufus or Rufus, whatever you want to call it. This is it here. We'll just go to this first download, this first page, and we will we'll just download this one here, and we're going to set that up. You can get the portable one. That would work just as well. Let's go ahead and open that. Install that while that Windows is downloading. Check for... Nah, not really. Alright, so we open up Rufus or Rufus, we have our 16 gig USB flash drive plugged in, and it shows here. Make sure you have the right thing selected. You don't want to accidentally delete a different flash drive or whatever else you might have connected to the computer. So make sure it is the correct one, and you can just do that by going to this PC, you know, seeing whatever else you have connected. It's not even showing up there. Okay, so it's not showing up there. I think I might have it in a different format, but that's the one I have. So we'll go ahead and select the file we just downloaded. Yeah, standard Windows installation. Everything, just leave everything like it is, and then just go ahead and hit start. And then this is going to say all your data is going to be destroyed off of this flash drive. Do you want to continue? We hit OK, and it starts doing its work here. So yeah, you just kind of let this thing run through. It's copying the ISO over right now. I'm using a 3.0 drive, so it's going to be faster than if you're using a 2.0 drive or something similar. But once this is done, you know, you can just hit OK or whatever it says at the end, and then pull this out of your computer. Then go install Windows 10 on whatever other computer you want to install it on. Yes, you can do this with a tool from the Microsoft website, but I've always done it like this, and this works out for me really well. Anyways, so this was Fred Bravo with Alpha Bravo Tech. If you like this video, if it helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I mostly do repair videos, but I'll do a lot more stuff like this in the future. I'm thinking about even maybe doing some product reviews, maybe. So might be something worth checking out. Anyways, thanks for watching. You all take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.